Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a gas cap on a Ford Escape. First, ensure the car is off and keys are with you. Walk to the left rear of the SUV and visually confirm the fuel door. If the fuel door feels stuck, try pressing the edge to release the latch. Avoid using sharp tools that can scratch paint or damage the latch mechanism. In this video, I will show how to open a gas cap on a Ford Escape. Use a firm press on the fuel door edge or pull the interior release lever if equipped. Once the door pops, open it fully and secure it with your hand to prevent it from closing. Keep the fuel nozzle area clean and check for frost or debris that may block the cap in cold weather. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Perfect for storing snacks during long drives or keeping a sandwich safe while you fuel up. They seal tightly and save your upholstery from spills, which is a small win when dealing with car chores. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open a gas cap on a Ford Escape. Grasp the gas cap and turn it counterclockwise until it releases with a single motion. Place the cap on the fuel door hook or tuck it safely away to keep hands free while fueling. After filling, thread the cap clockwise until you hear clicks indicating a proper seal, which prevents fuel vapors and dashboard warnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.